Hi there, students. Ornate, ornate, an adjective, and ornately, an adverb. Okay, if you describe something as ornate, it means it's got lots of complicated decoration. So the picture had a very ornate frame around it. Yes, it was highly decorated. The facade, the front of the building, was ornately decorated. It was elaborate. Yeah, it was adorned. It looked very fancy. It was highly decorated. So an ornate piece of furniture, an ornate chandelier, an ornate fireplace, an ornate ceiling, ornate carving. Okay, so this is something with lots and lots of decoration on it, lots of complicated patterns and shapes inside it. There were a pair of very ornately carved doors to the room. You go to a palace or one of these castles, and you'll find all sorts of ornate things within it. Now notice you can also use this word ornate to describe somebody's language. Yeah, ornate language. When you give a speech, I think it's much better to give plain, simple and straight explanations and not use too much ornate language, not use too much ornate rhetoric. Yes, so if you say somebody's literary style is ornate, it uses unusual words and complicated constructions. Yeah, he used a lot of ornate metaphorical language, speaking in metaphors. Yeah, he sounded very ornate and pompous. Okay, so over embellished. I think normally when we use this to talk about the way somebody's speaking, it's saying that it's just too much. It's over the top. Yeah. And I think that's the idea. Let's see, you could have an ornament as well. An ornament is something that decorates your house, or an element of decoration. Yeah. Okay, so ornate, highly decorated, very elaborately and excessively decorated, elaborate, fancy, complex, extravagant, baroque, fussy, ostentatious, rococo very definitely, florid, bedecked with designs, over elaborate. Okay, so an ornate gilded frame. And the opposite to this is something that's simple, something that's basic, plain, bare, Spartan, clear. Okay, so ornate, highly decorated, or using very complicated language. Yeah, flashy, flowery, or showy. Formality, it's rather ornate. I think I'm going to give this a 5.5 in formality. Use it absolutely anywhere. A touch on the formal side, but use it anyway, anywhere. I think maybe informally you might say very decorated, very elaborate, very flashy. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin, from ornatus, which comes from the verb ornare, to equip or to adorn, to decorate effectively. So, enough. I hope my language was not too ornate in this video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Ornate, ornately.